GrandGate reviews often begin with one main question: what does the GrandGate platform offer? GrandGate provides access to more than 3,000 instruments, intuitive tools, market insights, and professional support. According to the GrandGate website, the platform is designed for both new and experienced traders. Its purpose is to combine financial technology with practical market knowledge, creating an environment where users can explore opportunities with greater clarity. GrandGate states that more than 1.5 million trades have been completed through its ecosystem. The website also describes a global community built around flexible market access and a structured trading experience. Users can explore a broad range of instruments instead of concentrating on a single market category. This selection supports a more flexible approach to identifying opportunities and organizing market activity. The platform places strong emphasis on simplicity. Its interface and tools are presented as intuitive, which means users can focus on market information without navigating an unnecessarily complicated environment. GrandGate also connects technology with personal support. The company presents expert guidance as an important part of the experience, helping users understand the available functionality and develop a more focused approach. Transparency and clarity remain central to the brand's stated values. GrandGate describes its mission as making trading more accessible while continuing to improve its tools and services. This GrandGate Reviews overview shows a platform built around market variety, straightforward technology, global participation, and guided progress. GrandGate brings these elements together to help users approach financial markets with greater organization and confidence.